YouTube? It's your boy Lucky Donnie, and I'm back with another video. I'm running late, very late, to my first YouTube collab. I had to get my car washed because my dumb self parked under a tree knowing I had a collab the next day. I don't know why I did that, but yeah, right now I am headed to collab with somebody. Y'all met him. He was in my should I supercharge my car video. He had the supercharged orange 6-speed 2nd gen Mustang. Looks nice, and he's down to record, so that's where we headed right now. Like 10 minutes away. I should be there at like 10:15. I mean, not 10:15, 1:15. We agreed to meet at 1. Man, oh, that was an ugly ass limo. I wish I had my GoPro on. I should have saw that limo. It was a Camaro limo. Like what? Detroit got everything, man. There you go.
You said what's up?
What's up, man?
You know, it's almost as loud as motherfuckers.
You said it's almost as loud?
Almost.
Nah, I don't have an exhaust. I got the stock exhaust. I just got an H-pipe.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I mean, the stock exhaust, once you get rid of the suitcase, it's pretty easy.
Yeah. You got an exhaust or something? What you got?
Yeah.
Oh, he got Corsa. Y'all seen that video he was putting exhaust on?
That was my man's car. We was putting an MBRP exhaust on his Camaro.
What's up, man?
So look, I met John at
the fucking Modded Detroit event.
Modded Detroit meet. It was a pretty big opener. There was a lot of people there. Not just so I can run into my parking. So today, you know, we're not gonna do nothing. I'm not gonna say we're gonna
nothing
do
illegal.
crazy.
Nothing illegal. We ain't gonna do nothing illegal for legal purposes.
Yeah, but I feel it's rare. That's also another like, rare-ish color. I don't think it's as rare as this color. 15, 16. The Mach 1s, the New Edge Mach 1s had it. And I think like the original Boss 302s from like the 70s had the same color. So this, it's a rare-ish color, but it's not, I don't think it's as rare as this, and it's definitely not as rare as that Mr. Chrome.
Mr. Chrome.
You don't know about Mr.
Nah, I don't. I'm gonna have to educate myself on that one.
What did they have for?
Oh yeah, that's pretty dope.
You looking at it?
Yeah, that's pretty dope.
That's like, look, that's one of the greatest colors of all time. Almost as loud as motherfucker. Almost as loud as motherfucker. I lied.
We about to actually get into some. I don't know exactly what we're gonna get into, but make sure y'all like, subscribe, and I'm gonna tag him because he's cool for coming up, especially with the Whipple. So I'm gonna put on my GoPro. Yeah, I'm gonna strap this on right here. So that's how you guys circle your prey. Imagine you come up to the casino to gamble and you lose your hearing. Sorry, y'all. Shit. If y'all don't know, if y'all can't tell by his license plate or his cover per se, he is supercharged on a Whipple 3-liter. I'm gonna put a clip of it right here. Shit. Oh my gosh. It's fucking downshift, sorry. Y'all just gotta be here. I don't know if the camera is doing it justice, but yeah, I should have brought some earphones or something. Wait, what's her name? I forgot her name. It's Bluey I think her name is Bella. Bingo! Oh, we was eating cupcakes yesterday, dog. But that explains that. Oh, his car making sounds like my car isn't quiet. I'm kind of embarrassed. That is so embarrassing. Fucking do a vlog. If y'all like this, I feel like this is gonna be a good video. If y'all like this, make sure y'all thumbs up. We're gonna definitely get a part 2. He's killing it with that manual. Maybe my active exhaust broken. Let's put it back in quiet, and then let's put it back in track. Okay, y'all hear the little rumblings in my... People, I don't know too much about this island, but it's a staple in the Michigan community. Oh shit, hold on. So, I had to drop the camera. Are they charging? No.
I ain't know they start checking for the pass again. I ain't about to buy a fucking pass.
Yeah,
Let me out this bitch.
I think you could turn around all the way in the left lane.
Let me see.
Cause I'm not paying either. I was texting you, I'm like, nah.
Okay, he checking hard as hell.
Is your windows tinted?
Yeah.
I was about to say, you probably can't even see your bar car.
He's looking inside of his window, so that's it cooked and stuff.
Damn. I get the hit. See, sometimes too much horsepower is too much horsepower. He couldn't hook. If y'all know what the whipples, it's hard to get traction on the street. He got sticky tires on. I don't know how much that helps. I don't have a whipple, but yeah, he spin real bad. So it looked like I did a little something. But if it was a longer, he would have got me. Definitely would have blew past me. I ain't even pressed down on the pedal all the way. Cause we are safe drivers, first and foremost. my hands. I can sand your paint off with these hands right now. I need some lotion. Lotion bad. And it ain't no lotion. It's everything in my car except lotion. Like I got a baby bottle right there. I don't know if y'all can see. It's a baby bottle right there. Some body oil. I might have to put this on my hands. It's a dare situation. I got cologne right here, but no lotion. Like how that work? Stop talking about my hands. But look, last joke. Listen. Look, I put my car on quiet. See, I'm not a bad person, y'all. I'm not a bad person. I put my car on quiet so they can enjoy their food. Whoa, look at that. What is that? I can't see. It's a big ass fucking... Don't know. Oh yeah, I knew you was gonna say that. Is that a Plymouth? I can't see this big ass camera in my face. It's look nice though. I like how he got it set right there. That's a good ass picture. How do I get my car there? Nah, I couldn't. I would have ran that in 4K in high definition downtown. Would have been arrested. Would have been put behind the boss. Put behind the... Yo, that is crazy fucking loud. Oh my god. I feel like it wasn't no. It wasn't. Terrorizing the streets. That shit is hella loud. Yeah, right, it ain't that loud. I feel like you can take it a little bit louder though. Just a little bit.
If I take it a little bit higher,
yeah, you'll definitely be there, like me. My little thing. No, it make...
My favorite spot to hit, bro. Every time.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't.
Ready? I got him. Got him by a car.
Y'all, unfortunately, my camera did cook itself. The fucking GoPro died. Bad.
Tough ass fucking ride.
That was a good one.
That shit was tough.
I was surprised. You did your thing on the shifting. I ain't gonna lie.
The only things I've loved too so far since I had this are a GT2 RS. That Hands down, I got fucking destroyed. I think, and then it was a I don't know if you've seen this 720. It's been out and about like on Woodward. Pretty, yeah. It's been on Woodward a lot. It's orange, almost like this. It's bright as fuck.
Oh yeah. He's always at Woodward. Always on Woodward.
That car is fast as hell.
Yeah, I wouldn't even try it.
That I wasn't trying. I was on my way home, and then he pulled up on me. I'm like,
right.
I'll run it. Why not? I'll see what happens.
Fast car go fast.
Yeah, and he kind of hold me. We sitting there going. I'm like, damn, I'm about to get him. I'm top like halfway through fourth. I'm like, damn, I'm actually pulling away, and then he like mashed the gas down and just start like fucking going. I'm like, bro, I know damn well you didn't race me with half throttle the whole time, bro. I'm out here trying my hardest.
Hey, that's what happens when you race a supercar. I mean, like
It's not even that. Mustang out here chilling out in the wild, bro. I need to get more.
I'm definitely about to end the video here. My camera memory is getting full. My GoPro is dead. So I'm gonna have to end the video here, man. If y'all like this, make sure y'all smash that like button, share it, comment what you like. And yeah, we gonna boost my car soon. And we gonna end it there. God, thanks Greg for coming out. I'm gonna tag them in the down description. It's gonna be all over the fucking all over the video. So
y'all better watch all my other videos.
Yeah, too, make sure y'all support me.
No, you know what? You ain't even gotta watch it. Just let the shit play, bro.
Yeah. Go to sleep with the autoplay on.
I'm saying with autoplay on, let it play through the whole. I only got like 15 videos. Just let them all play, bro.
Yeah.